So what would you rather have, that? Yeah, or that? I think I've made my mind. That looks better, that one looks ugly. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all keeping well. If you're new to mk4, guys, hit that subscribe button, turn your notifications on so that you're notified when a new video is dropped, and support the channel. We really starting to gain a little bit of momentum now. Our subscribers are at what, nearly 2,000. So yeah, I think it's 1,600 and something, but it's been just climbing and climbing. So massive thumbs up to you guys for supporting and watching. Thank you so much, guys, for all the support, and I'm sure we'll get to that 2,000 mark, you know, in the next couple of months or whatever. And it only gives me more confidence to make more videos, guys. So the more views I get, more subscribers, it only gives me more confidence to, you know that people are actually watching all this stuff and enjoying the content. So yeah, without rambling on, I just wanted to mention that so you guys know that I respect and thank your guys' love to the channel. Anyway, let's get into the video. So my plan is today, if you've noticed the thumbnail, we have a little cheeky mod. That's a cheap mod as well, £10 to be precise, and that is these sweeping LED lights. Now I think Audi is the first manufacturer, or VW or whatever, that came up with this sweeping light idea. Now these are side repeaters that are sweeping. I don't think I've seen them yet on any car. But when I was browsing eBay, I did come across them, when I was browsing for mk4 golf parts and stuff. And I thought, wow, nice little mod there. Let me get hold of one of them. And it's only 10 quid, as I mentioned, so it's not breaking the bank either, you know what I mean? So yeah, we'll try and put them on the golf, see what that looks like. Hopefully it adds a bit more sexiness to the side of the golf and gets rid of them chrome looking side repeaters and stuff. So yeah, I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do it, and I'll show you the lights as well, these side repeaters, what they look like. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Right, so there is our side repeaters or indicators or whatever. Now I must admit, they don't look like they made the most expensive way or with the most expensive materials, but if they do the job, who cares, eh? So we'll try them out. I'm assuming, looking at the writing, there must be a left and a right here. I'll only find that out once I'm actually fitting them, but yeah, we'll stick those on. If you do want these, guys, I'll probably put a link somewhere in the description at the bottom. But I don't even know if this is a part number or what the hell this is, but yeah, if you type that in, you might come across them. Yeah, so yeah, I thought I'll show you that. So I suppose we'll start off with, obviously removing these standard side repeaters. My only worry with these is usually to take them off, they can be quite a pain in the ass where you've got to like pry them out, and I'm going to try and avoid doing that because sometimes you can actually damage the paintwork unless you use masking tape or something around the edges while you pry it with like a screwdriver or something. So my plan is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to use some tack, or I don't know what in Africa we call it, sticky stuff or whatever, but yeah, I'm going to put some tack on there. Yeah, try and clean that, put the tack on and try and just plug it off basically, and then put our other side repeater on there, see how that goes. And I must admit, the golf is glowing. Woo! I mean, look at it. Woo-hoo-hoo. That is one fit car. Anyway, let's get started. Right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some brake cleaner. You could use any type of alcohol on here, just to clean that, so we get a nice clean surface, before we put our tack on there to just pull them out. So yeah, that's nice and clean. Right, so here's our tack. I hope this works. Oh, nearly. No. Well, that doesn't seem to be playing ball. So what I'm thinking is we'll use this plastic pry to It's only plastic and a bit of tissue, and hopefully that should do it. That's got under there nicely. Right, I just went and get this. These little picker tools are really helpful. So you can see here, I'm not even going to touch anywhere close to the paintwork, and you'll just get hold of it, just yank it out. You can see no scratches, nothing. Yeah, so yeah, you can see that clip was actually hooked in so hard it's actually bent back. So just take that out of there. Now how these work, guys, is where the bulb goes is where our cable basically will go. It's quite a clever way of doing it, really. Now what we'll do is, before we stick anything in there, we'll test them, make sure they're working, and then we're pretty much good to go. As you can see, it's just a plug that you just stick in like a bulb. Not gonna lie, these need to be crimped a bit more. Yeah, so if we look at that, can you see they're a bit too out there? So we'll just crimp them down a bit, just so that they can fit nicely, really. Yeah, that looks nice. Looks right. I hope that's gonna stay in there. I might put some insulation tape around there. So let's put that there, just for testing purposes. Let's see how that plays out. Are we strobing? Oh, that is a nice mod, eh? So I'm assuming this goes that way then, guys. Yeah, look at that. That looks cool, isn't it? That looks cool. Let's take it from afar, yeah? And then the way these go in is just how they came out. That clips into the back of there first, and then that clips into your wing. It's a bit tight. I don't know if that's because of this. Okay. I've just noticed a little problem here, guys. You see, that hasn't got enough room to bend back and actually click in there. It's too long. So what we'll have to do is trim that down. So let me trim that back, and then I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Because can you see? It's knocking against there. If it wasn't knocking against there, it would be able to go down and click in, basically. So now if we look at it, if you look at that now, look how that has more leverage to go in there. So now I think it should work, actually. Let's check. Yeah, that'll be a lot better, I think. So let's put that back on there. You see, these things that you buy, these cheap mods, well, they are cheap for a reason, really, aren't they? But yeah, what can I say? You've got to modify them. And look at the pins. We couldn't even put the pins in properly, so we had to crimp them together. And then this bit, you know, the end part. Problem is, if you try and force that and you break them, then they're probably not going to replace them, are they? So better just to do it properly. Right, so let's try that out again. So clip in there. See, yeah, look at that one time. See what I mean? One time. In you go. Woo! That looks smart, guys. I ain't gonna lie. That looks sweet. Let's just test them again. Are we sweeping? Yep, we are sweeping. Look at that. Cool. Right. Next side. We will try our tack trick. Not tactic, but tack trick rather. Let's see if it works on this side. I've already cleaned this, so let's see. This one feels rather looser than the other side. You see what I mean? That side just wouldn't budge. The clip is still intact. The other one, the clip was actually stuck. So look at that, it just popped straight out. Cool. Take that out, take our bulb out, and then we'll crimp the other one like what we've done on the other side. So we've done the same to this side, guys. Obviously just crimped those down so they're nice and flat, and we've trimmed that part of the clip as you've just seen on the other side, because if it's not trimmed it doesn't go in enough. So let's hope that does it. So a quick test before we insulate. Yep, that is working. It's working perfectly. Just wondering which way these are supposed to go actually. I'd say they're supposed to go that way, aren't they? I'd say that way. Yeah, so but I think it's better going that way anyway. So yeah, this is only a quick mod, guys, not a long video, which is what I prefer to do really, because it's nice and easy to get a quick video out. So I say that way. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, yeah? I don't think that way is correct. Hey? I think that would be right. No. I think that way. Yeah, let me know what you think, guys. I'm getting confused, yeah. Anyway, so that'll just clip into there. Bang. In you go. Beautiful. Result, guys. I think it looks better. I think it needs more black. Them lights spoil it now, I think. I think it needs something a bit more darker in the lights there. So, but yeah, it makes a difference. It's better than these stock ones over here. You know what I mean? Much better than them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's only a quick one. It's not one of these long videos of a major mod being done, but whatever I do and whatever I can film and show you guys, I think is, you know, relevant. I don't want to make stupid videos of any little thing I do. I just want to, you know, show relevant videos, something that's tasteful and that, you know, I think my subscribers would like, basically. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you have, you know, put some comments below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys again soon. Cheers, bye. So this is the next day, guys, and it's very windy. And you know what, I've decided to put them that way because looking at it from this angle, that looks the right way. So, you know, I couldn't make my mind up. And that's not oil, by the way, that's just water leaking off the car. Yeah, so that's the correct way, I think. So we leave it like that, you know, see how that plays out.